In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a recipe book on Canva, following our full 2025 guide. If you're someone who loves collecting and sharing recipes, this video is perfect for you. We're going to dive into the steps for creating a beautiful, professional-looking recipe book using Canva, a user-friendly design tool that offers a variety of preset templates to get you started. It's a fantastic way to save time and still achieve a polished result. Let's begin with selecting a preset design. Canva offers a wide array of template options that are designed to help streamline your process. This means you don't have to start from scratch, and you can leverage these ready-to-go designs to jumpstart your project. It's a significant time saver, allowing you to focus on your content and creativity rather than the technicalities of design. Next, you'll need to pick a template that aligns with your vision for your recipe book. Scroll through the diverse range of options available and choose a template that fits most of your needs. Remember, this is just your starting point. You can customize it further as you move forward. Once you've settled on a template, it's time to add your content. This is where your creativity shines. Enter your recipes and make sure your layout is consistent, keeping a template that can accommodate most of your recipes. Each recipe template should ideally include 5 basic elements: the recipe title, ingredients, instructions, serving size, and cooking time. Ensuring these elements are present will make your book user-friendly and visually appealing. With your content in place, the next step is to edit your recipe book to enhance its flow and consistency. At this stage, you'll want to focus on refining your text for clarity and coherence, and pay attention to the layout, ensuring everything looks visually appealing. This might involve adjusting font sizes, tweaking color schemes, or adding images. The goal is to create a cohesive look that enhances the overall wow factor of your book without compromising on readability. Finally, when you're happy with your creation, it's time to print and compile your recipe book. Use the PDF for print option in Canva to generate a high-quality file suitable for printing. If your book consists of multiple files, you can use tools like PDF Merge or Small PDF to combine them into a single document. This step is crucial to finalize your project in a format that's easy to share and print. And there you have it, a complete guide to making your own recipe book on Canva. It's a rewarding process that allows you to express your culinary creativity and share it with others in a beautifully designed format. Thank you for following along and happy designing!